Every bag of flour begins here, rooted in fields of wheat. Timing the harvest defines the quality of flour. Machines replace hands when scale matters.
The process begins with a single cut.
Every grain is captured for transformation. Machines replace hands when scale matters. Separation prepares wheat for its next life. Volume builds, harvest after harvest. The field hands over its yield. Flour demands consistency and quantity. The journey moves beyond the soil. Distance separates farm from factory. Fields give way to industry. From harvest, the path to flour is set. After harvest, wheat begins its industrial journey. Transport links the field to the factory. Protection preserves milling potential.
Precision matters even on the road.
Scale demands constant movement. Quality checks never pause. The journey resumes without delay. Industry approaches. Where wheat becomes flour.
Every grain has a destination.
This is where wheat is transformed into flour.
Storage ensures uninterrupted production.
Entry must be exact.
Gravity becomes the first tool. Release starts the process. Millions of grains descend together. Movement never stops. Control protects quality. Pathways guide the grain. Inside, transformation begins.
Scale defines modern milling.
Human oversight guides automation.
Preparation comes before milling. Purity begins early.
Now the real refinement starts. Before grinding, wheat must be purified.
Only clean grain moves ahead. Hidden dangers are captured early. Air separates what weight cannot.
Density defines direction.
Waste exits the system. Clean grain moves with purpose. Technology refines what eyes cannot. Perfection is selective. Uniformity ensures predictable flour.
Moisture determines milling behavior.
Preparation is nearly complete. Gravity will soon be controlled. Test prepares wheat for change. Cleaned wheat is ready for processing. Conditioning unlocks the grain. Prepared wheat moves forward. Steel meets grain. Breaking releases structure. Separation begins with force.
Movement sorts complexity.
Bran takes its own path. Finer stages await. Pressure refines texture. Flour begins to emerge. Consistency is engineered. Nothing is wasted.
Orchestration defines efficiency.
Human judgment fine-tunes machines.
The foundation of flour is formed. Many paths become one. Final refinement shapes texture. Precision defines quality.
Rest stabilizes performance.
Formulas guide consistency. Enhancement follows regulation.
Quality is checked continuously.
Speed supports scale. Heat is carefully controlled. Environment protects the product. Balance ensures reliability. Data governs production.
Precision is confirmed.
Flour nears completion.
The final touch awaits. Automation directs every grain.
Decisions are made in milliseconds. Accuracy is programmed.
Machines watch constantly. Storage is precisely managed. Flow adapts instantly. Clean air protects quality.
Data refines performance.
Errors are corrected silently.
Speed meets control. Machines monitor themselves.
Prevention saves production. Synchronization defines efficiency.
Human trust completes automation.
Automation hands off to precision.
Precision is the final discipline.
Only perfection passes through. Numbers confirm quality. Balance defines performance. Flow must remain effortless. Texture meets expectation. Accuracy precedes packaging. Safety is non-negotiable.
Human eyes still matter.
Finished flour moves on.
The market awaits.
Ready for measure.
Every batch is proven.
Standards are enforced. Precision is complete.
Every flour batch meets scrutiny.
Moisture controls shelf life.
Size defines texture.
Heat tolerance ensures quality.
Composition guarantees consistency.
Safety protects consumers.
Consistency is measured against standards.
Every result is logged.
Approval complete as testing. Signals release production. Certification ensures trust.
Inspection safeguards every grain.
Quality passes into hands of automation. Flour enters its final journey. Measurement precedes packaging. Precision ensures every bag is accurate.
Identity marks quality.
Human oversight remains critical.
Organization prepares for storage. Mechanics move inventory efficiently. Stored flour awaits distribution.
Systematic storage supports logistics.
Transport prepares to deliver.
Goods begin their journey to market.
Prepared for distribution.
From factory to the world.
And this is how modern factories produce flour from start to finish.
Every grain tells its story.